Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Betty's and the Bag. Today we are cash stuffing our cash wallet for week number 2. We're getting ready for week 2 and we are stuffing bills as well, and we are also putting our coins in our coin jar. We haven't done that in a while on camera, so I'm really excited for that. But let's jump right into our positive quote for today. And today's positive quote is, ooh, make time for joy. Oh wow, I needed that. Make time for joy is very important. In Jamaica we have a saying, I don't know if it's a saying here or anywhere else, but in Jamaica we have a saying. It says, all work and no play makes Johnny a dumb or dull boy. I think it's dull. All work and no play makes Johnny a dull boy. I think that's what it is. So basically when you work and you don't take time for yourself, or you don't make time for joy, you are a dull, well, you're going to be a dull person. So let us manifest something real quick. You can repeat after me if you like, but let's do a little manifestation. So repeat after me. I attract wealth. I attract abundance. Money flows freely to me, and I'm a money magnet. Now let's get into the video. So we have some coins in my cute little coiny octopus. Y'all know her, y'all remember her? She haven't made an appearance in a minute, but I have some coins. And I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible because it's early in the morning. This is the best time for me to record when my daughter is sleeping, when my boyfriend's sleeping, so I can have a little peace and quiet. So I turned the fan on in the room for both of them, and I turned my AC off. That way I could have peace and quiet. And ain't no dog barking in the video today, y'all. That is a plus. So let's separate these coins. Ugh, why are they so dirty? All right, so y'all know I separate my cents. So let's do that real quick. It's like a little mini ASMR, ain't it? Okay, so let's get our cents jar. We have her right here. We're gonna slide the cents into this. Goes the other baby. The cover is a whole mess. Don't ask me how. It gotta be my daughter. Anyways, ooh, we missed a cent. And there we have it. The coins have disappeared. So next, let's get our cash tray and let's get this cash out so we can get this cash stuffed. Okay? Wow, I'm rhyming, y'all. So here we got our bank bag. I have one more left on the website. If it is there today, I don't even know. But as of right now, making this video, I know there's one left. So today we have $200 for week 1 going into cash wallet for week 2 and bills. So let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80. This is 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 80 and 90 is what? So 170, and we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have $200. Let's start with our bills. So for bills today, we are only adding to 3 categories. So we're heading into, I think we are putting 60 into phone bill. So let's see, 20, 40, 60. And we're dropping that into phone bill. For utilities, we're adding $40. I was right. So 20, 30, 40. And then for self-lender, we are adding a total of 20 bucks. So 20 bucks going into self for week 1. And that is it for stuffing bills. Next, let's jump into our cash wallet. So update on cash wallet. Remember how we stretched that $100 last week? Funny story. So on Saturday of last week, which was the last day, I had, I think it was $18 left in this wallet, which I was proud of. And unfortunately, the $18 got used up at the store. So we ain't got no rollover money to roll over nowhere. Okay, but remember though, we stretched that 100, and for it to be the last day of the week and I had a total remaining of $18, not bad, right? So it did last me the week. It's not like in the middle of the week and I ran out. It lasted the whole week. So that was good. But today we are only stuffing $80 into our cash wallet. We are not stuffing the categories groceries and household because we just literally bought groceries and household items yesterday with our food stamp and household money that I had in this wallet. So let's go ahead and stuff our 80 bucks into our cash wallet for week 2. For allowance, we're adding $30. And today, well, this week is another week of me being inside. So majority of the time I'm always inside, to be honest. I don't really be going out. If I do go out, I go to Taco Tuesday or I go to the movies every once in a while, but I'm not really like a really go out person where I'm going out every single time. Majority of the time I'm at home, I'm doing schoolwork. Y'all know I'm in college. So December is my graduation. I'm so excited. But anyways, yeah, I don't really go out a lot these last months. I've been working on my website, I've been working on my YouTube, I've been working in college, and I've been taking care of my daughter. So majority of the time I'm home. So that's why these cash amounts is small. If I was more on the road, maybe, you know, it would have been more, but I'm not. I'm mostly inside. So this works for me. Okay, I have to say this because people like to come for me for some reason. So allowance $30. Household, we're not stuffing. Groceries, we're not stuffing. What a coincidence, they're right beside each other. For eating out, we are adding $20 to eating out. Sometimes I do go on the road, like me and my daughter. I'll take her to the park, or you know, I'll go to Target or TJ Maxx or wherever. And sometimes when I'm coming back, I'll get her smoothies, shakes for me and her and stuff like that. So eating out definitely are. Sometimes I order food. My boyfriend order food and I'll give the tip or stuff like that, you know. So next category we have is gas. I do have a travel makeup appointment coming up this week, so I'm gonna put $20 in gas just in case, you know, my boyfriend didn't put any gas and I'm leaving and I need some gas. So $20 will be going into gas. And then last but not least is my daughter's envelope. We're adding $10 to her envelope to get her any toys or any extra stuff that we might see when we get on the street that she might want. That's basically it for week 1 of cash wallet and bills binder. I am loving the organization, to be honest. I don't know if y'all like it, but I'm way on a better path when I'm more organized like this. I like it. I can see where everything's going and I can see what I'm doing, etc, etc. So this is absolutely great. Week one has been good. The total amount of money that was made in 1 week, if I was working a 9 to 5, like when I used to work at Best Buy, Target, or City Furniture, I would not even be getting $970 for my 2-week paycheck. So for me to be able to make $970 in 1 week, I'm proud of myself. And that is why I always try to push entrepreneurship to people, because I feel like that way is better for you. I don't know. I think it's the best way, you know, but it's not for everyone. So, but if you have a little business or a little creative idea or whatever that you want to start, girl, please go ahead. Go ahead, get motivated and get into it. So this is the stuffing for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video, of course.